Things that a woman or behaviors or characters that a woman should not do in your husband's home or should not do to your husband as a woman. Yes, as a wife, there are things that you don't need to do. Sometimes when this kind of thing, you do this kind of thing, you notice that the man cannot forgive you. These are the things that I want to tell you today. Hi everyone. If you are a wife or you are a lady, you are a young girl or you are a mother, I would like you to come and sit and listen in this video. There are kind of behavior that every wife supposed not to do. Number one, when you have quarrel with your husband, as a good lady, a good woman, you don't supposed to go to your parents, your own mother, to tell them that this is what your husband have done to you, that in fact, you call your family member, you begin to shout, answer me, this is what he have done, he has started going, look at it, You don't need to report your husband to your own parents. Instead, you can report your husband or tell your husband. You can tell the parents of the man what you are passing through, especially at your early stage. Number two thing a wife should not do to the husband is this, that when you have issue with your husband, you will run to police. At that very first time that you got married, and issue must come, have it in mind. You must have issue with your husband. You must quarrel with your husband. In fact, it's everybody, everyone. You must. Yeah, if somebody tell you, I've never quarreled with my wife, I've not quarreled with my husband for a day, that person is a liar. You must quarrel with your husband, or let's put it like that, or have issues with your husband. But you don't need to run to police. All these things is what we tell the children. In fact, even if you are living at abroad, calling police to your husband is one of the worst things that a woman have done, African woman. If you are a responsible woman, you dare not go to police to report an issue. Why? Because you reporting issue either to your parents or to the police. Instead of those things to bring peace, it will worsen the matter. Yes, the man will feel that you don't respect him. The man will feel that, look at, you want to oppress him. He will not feel that you want to settle this matter. But the reason why I've come out to tell you this is because of the questions and the things some people have already told me on the DM. And this is why I want to tell a woman. Another thing is this. There are places that you don't need to report your husband immediately. Don't report your husband to any of his younger friends. Sometimes when you report him to his friends, it worsen the issue. And somebody have asked a question. Who will I, tell things that my husband are doing? Some people will say, no, don't tell it to your pastor. I will say you can tell your pastor. But before you say that, love, that said you can tell your pastor, you will know the kind of person your pastor is. You know your pastor in and out. But number one thing I will tell you, instead of bringing a third party into your marriage, number two thing you have to do, to learn to settle issue with your husband without anyone.